Looking into my channel's analytics, I can see that through my YouTube ads, I've made $18,767, making it a good year for my small-ish channel at 29,000 subscribers. Now that's 8,000 more than I made the previous year in 2018. And this was down to a deliberate change of strategy for putting my ads in my videos that I started at the beginning of 2019. And this video is going to look at exactly those changes I made at the start of 2019. And by looking at what I did, you're going to learn how to put YouTube ads into your YouTube videos and make as much money as possible with your channel. Now the standard approach and what I was doing all throughout 2018 is I would click every single one of these options and have every ad type possible play on my video. And that strategy works really well. If we jump into my analytics here for 2018, we can see that I made $10,791 from 822,000 views. So that's quite a lot of money in 2018. If we break that down to earnings per 1,000 views, that's $13 per 1,000 views, way above the average of $2 per 1,000 views people expect to get on YouTube. But as I've already explained, I changed my advertising strategy in 2019, which resulted in me making $8,000 more in that year. So what did I do differently? Well, a couple of things. First off, rather than just having one advert play at the start of my video, you know, the whole 5-second skippable ad that you see at the start of videos, I started to put multiple ads in single videos. Basically, I realized that if you make videos over 10 minutes in length, YouTube gives you the option to add more adverts in that video. And if we scroll down here to a 11-minute video, you can see that there's checkboxes down here that become available that weren't available for shorter videos. So you get the option to put ads during the video and after your video if you make videos that are longer than 10 minutes in length. And if we go deeper into this video, we can see that I've added an advert here and another advert here. So just in this example, where I would have had one ad previously at the start of the video, I now have 4 ads, one at the start, 2 in the middle, and 1 at the very end of the video playing. And I even got really nerdy with this technique. I looked at the data and got really scientific and basically found out when people on average stopped watching my videos, at what point in time, after how many minutes, and I made sure to place an ad before this moment to guarantee that whoever was watching my videos would see at least 2 adverts. So I'd get paid for the first ad shown and the second ad shown. If we jump back into the analytics for 2019, we can see that in that year, I made $18,767, which averages at around $17 per 1,000 views. A big jump from the $13 per 1,000 views I was making in 2018, which resulted in me making $8,000 more in 2019. All right, so back to making money with ads. How can you find out when people typically stop watching your videos so that you can make sure you get an ad in there before they turn off? Well, you're going to jump back into your channel analytics and you're going to press the engagement tab. And if you scroll down, you can see average view duration. And the average view duration for my channel, for all the videos across my channel, is 3 minutes and 7 seconds. So this means that people typically watch 3 minutes and 7 seconds of my video before they click off to another video or go to a different channel. So I make sure that I put that first manually placed ad in my video before around the 3-minute marker to make sure people are going to see that second ad before they turn off from the channel. And that's going to make me more money per view because I'm getting paid for that second ad view. Now you can even go into more detail and break it down video by video exactly when people stop watching that video in particular and make sure that the ad is before that point for that individual video. And another thing I do is I slowly start to realize that if I use certain keywords in the titles to my video, YouTube would pay me more money for those videos with the keywords in them rather than videos that don't have those keywords. So thanks for watching everyone. A new video next week, as always, showing you how to take advantage of the opportunity that YouTube has. I'll see you then.